Hello, today I want to show you Microsoft Lumia 640 LT. Yes, this is a 4G device. It's 5-inch display. Its resolution is IPS LCD 1280 by 720. And it's a little bit heavy. Well, it's actually sturdy compared to many devices. I like it this way, 5-inch, and it feels good in the hand. It's not too light, and to be specific, the weight is 143 gram, and this is a color black. See, on the back, it's removable backside. It's got a battery, removable battery, and you can put in micro SD, 8GB internal drive. This is 8 megapixel autofocus and flashlight, and on the side is a little bit in the middle, on-off button, up and down volume. There is microphone here, and there is USB connection, regular USB connection. It's not Type-C connection. So this actually comes with Windows Phone 8.1. It's upgraded to Windows 10 Mobile. When you upgrade it, you cannot downgrade it to Windows Phone 8.1 after you upgrade it to Windows 10 Mobile. The name getting confusing. I'll just call it Windows 10 and Windows 8. Okay, the way you upgrade your device, you just go to App Store, and you look for Windows Insider app. Then you just sign up there, and after that you just go to phone upgrade. You're doing phone upgrade. It's going to download over the Wi-Fi, and after that just reboot, and voila, it's Windows 10 Mobile. The thing that I like about Windows 10 Mobile, it looks actually great. It looks better than Windows Phone 8.1, I think. It feels a little bit slower than this device, Windows 10. It feels slower than Windows 8, but it's manageable. It's a great device. I feel a little bit buggy here and there, such as like a Skype. When I try to call a number, it just didn't dial at all. I just have to uninstall and reinstall back and do couple times, and I did it. Some of the apps, I think that's one of them that I found still buggy, and also like mix radio. I opened it before and it just didn't show up. Maybe because this is not official, still beta version of Windows 10. Okay, I'll show you the difference for Windows 10 and Windows 8. I'll show you the setting here. You can collapse. You can see expand. It'll show you your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, rotation, all settings. You expand VPN, location, flight mode, and everything, camera. And there's a note. It's going to open your OneNote and all the settings here. There are so many customizations. If you like customization, this is a very great device. You can change the display, the size of the text, and the apps items on the display. There's so many many customization, and you can connect to wireless display. I'm not really sure if you can connect to Chromecast or not. I haven't tried it. to be honest, I don't know how to connect to Chromecast on a Windows mobile device. And one of the things that are different, one of the things that is different for Windows Mobile from other devices like Android or iOS, I'll show you here some of them. You can download the offline maps here. There you go. So you can download the maps using Microsoft Map. So you don't, and automatically update maps. So you don't need to download different maps application. It comes with actually two map applications. One is Here Maps and the other one is Microsoft Maps. And you can encrypt your device, and you can put battery saver. I'll show you here. There's so many customization. So you can show notification in Action Center, that show notification on lock screen, show alarm, and notification for the apps that you want to show the notification for. You can turn it off, you can turn it on. This looks like iOS, and you got battery saver, and you can save the battery, turn it on and off. You can what else, messaging here. You can put SMS delivery confirmation, MMS, notify sender you have received their MMS. That's interesting. Allow MMS or not. MMS group. What else? The phone. I'll show you. Show my caller ID, Firebird when my call is answered. Text reply, so it can just reply. Let you reply to a call with a text message when you cannot talk. See, that's interesting too. And you can switch to video calls with Skype video. There's so many interesting choices here. There's so many options. Okay, I'll show you some other things like Kids Corner. It's also interesting. Kids Corner is a place on your phone where you can share apps, video games, and music with your child. They'll have a start screen of their own, easy access to items you add there. Okay, don't go anywhere. I still want to show you some other interesting parts for Windows 10. See, you can provision package, help set up your device for workplace or school. And work access, you can sign into Azure. I think this is very good for business. I think this is targeted to business environment. I'm not really sure if it's interesting for personal use at all. Your email and accounts. Okay, the extra parts also interesting. I'll show you. There is a call and SMS filter. See, it is built into the device. This application allows you to block unwanted phone calls and SMS. Wow, that is very nice. You can do that, I think, with Android or iOS, but I think you need an app for that. And the glance screen, you can show the content of your lock screen, the date on, notification on, and allows show glance screen when charging, night mode, override, blah blah blah. This thing is for, when I show you here, and it show you the date and the time. That is interesting. I like this. It looks very cool. Another thing that I want to show you is the camera. The camera is a great here. The quality is pretty good. This is the part that I want to show you. It is called rich capture on or rich capture off. If you turn it on, it's going to capture like 5 seconds of video. So it's going to look like the one Harry Potter pictures. Some of the backgrounds are moving. I wish I can show you here. I think I can show you the example here. Let me see here. Okay, there you go. See, there's someone moving in the back. So it's going to capture like 3 seconds of video. There you go. Next, that looks creepy. So this is a different device. Okay, that is a very nice function. Very neat gimmick for the camera. The camera is pretty good. I think it's 8 megapixel. Yeah. And the video camera is 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps connection. So connectivity, there is a FM radio. That's very nice. Not many phones got a FM radio anymore. NFC, GPS, Bluetooth 4.0, and 4G network. The battery, Microsoft claim about 3G standby time up to 28 days. I don't know if you can actually do that. Web browsing up to 10 hours, video playback up to 8 hours, audio playback up to 86 hours. That's, in a summary, pretty good use of device. Okay, those are the good things. 5-inch display, very nice. The camera, pretty good, and the setting for the camera, you can set manual camera like I showed you before, and there's a nice gimmick that's like a blink feed for HTC, 8 megapixel. I already told you that. That's very nice. Removable battery, that's also not very nice. I don't know if you can actually buy an extra battery, whether that matters at all actually. There is micro SD, you can insert. Great for MP3. One thing that probably I don't like about this is there is only here. You can cover the speaker here and you cannot hear anything. I don't know, guys, come on. Why manufacturers like to put just one small dot for the speaker? How can you listen to stuff? I mean, listen to your phone if you got only one little teeny bitty speaker. I don't know why. It's actually got a very loud and very nice speaker there. I don't know why you put why don't you put like iPhones? Don't be ashamed. Just put on a grill here, like dots. So the chance is very little for you to cover all the holes for the speaker. Another thing, I have a very high hope for Windows mobile phones. Hopefully Windows 10 can bridge the app gaps between iOS and Android. Otherwise, I think they are pretty doomed Yeah, I don't like to say this. A lot of people who like Windows device, they'll be very mad if I say, well, the apps are not so many. Even if they have the main ones, they are not as good as the ones on Android or iOS. There, I said it. Suppose I said this before on my review, on my other review. Suppose like Messenger here for Facebook, you cannot call or video call. For iOS or Android, you can do that. So I think it's still a great device if you can buy around $150 up to $200. If it's more than that, I think it's just a bit too expensive. I think that's all I need to say. I'm sorry if the video is too long. I hope you like my review. Bye bye.